Hello friends, today this video is about the time saving calculation tricks. Means you can save lots and lots of time from your calculation work. If you see this video, it will be very easy for you to do long calculations in just few seconds. So let's see what are the superb tricks for the calculations. Okay, so our first trick is for the multiplication of two three-digit numbers. So how are we going to multiply any two three-digit numbers? So if you have, this trick is applicable for only numbers which are near hundreds. That means I have taken the numbers 106 and 103. So we can break these numbers in the form of 100 plus A and 100 plus B. So these are applicable for only these kind of numbers. So there are few steps which we need to follow to solve such kind of questions. The trick is applicable like this. So how we're going to do this? I have the numbers 106 and 103. So how we are going to multiply and use our simple easy trick, that is, you have 5 places in the answer first of all. So the 5 places means first 2 places are reserved for 10. So you have to write the 10 as it is below the number. Okay. The next third place, that is a purple color, third place is reserved for the addition of the unit digits of both the numbers. So unit digits are 6 and 3. So if you add these two, you have 6 plus 3, that is 9. So the third place, a single digit number, is reserved for the sum of the unit digits, and the last two digits are reserved for the multiplication of these two unit digits. So addition is will give you the third place and multiplication will give you the last two digits. So 6 into 3 is 18, so you got 10918. All right, let's see one more question for practice. You have 112 into 106. So you can break it as near 100. So 100 plus 12 and 100 plus 6. So if you have to multiply these two numbers, so you have your unit digits as 12 and 6 here, right? So 10 as it is in the first two places, as I have told you. Third place is reserved for your sum of the digits. So sum is 12 and 6 is 18. But only one digit, one place is reserved for the addition. So I have written 8 over there and 1 will get carry over to 10. So now next you have last two places are reserved for the multiplication. So 12 into 6 is 72. Okay. So it is 10872 and 1 is carry over 10. So your number will be 11872. Okay. I have a question for you. Just solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. I'm waiting for it. So the number is 107 whole square. So same way you have to do the squares as well. You have to break that as 107 into 107 and you have to get the answers. So please comment in the comment section. I am waiting. Next trick is multiplication with the largest 3-digit number. So how I am going to do this? So multiplication with the largest 3-digit number. So let's see. Largest 3-digit number is actually 999. 999 is the largest 3-digit number, as you all know. So multiplication by that number, how we are going to do it? So just you need to do, if you have a number 364 into 999. So the answer is actually 363636. But how you got this answer? So you just need to do this trick, that is, you have to subtract 1 from the number which you have to multiply. That means 364, you have to subtract 1 from 364. So you will get 363, right? Then you have to subtract this 363 again from 999. So we will get 636. So the first 3 places will get from subtracting 1 from the number, and the next 3 places we will get from the subtracting that number from 999. So you have the answer. It's very simple. First you need to subtract 1 from the number you have to multiply. Then you have to subtract that number from 999 and you get the answer, last 3 digits. Okay. So it is 363636. Similarly, if you have to multiply a single digit number with 999, that is more simpler. So how are you going to do that? Just have to multiply 6 into 9. So that is 6 into 9 is 54. First 9 is multiplied by that number. So that will give you 54. So you have to write 54 in the answer like this, 5 and 4. And between two places are reserved for the leftover 9s. So leftover double 9 will come in between 54. So answer will be 5994. Very simple. So I have a question for you here also. 12 into 999. So this 12 into 999, you have to do it by the first method, that is multiplication with the 3 digit that I have done. You have to do it like that. Okay. So you have to subtract 1 from 12. Then you have to subtract that 11 from 999 and you'll get the answer. So please comment. I'm waiting. So the next trick is for multiplication of two 3-digit numbers. So this trick is applicable only when you have two conditions. That is, your sum of the unit digits of both the numbers is 10 and the first two numbers are same in both the numbers. That means you can see, for example, if you have the number 142 and 148, you have 14 and 14 same in both the numbers, first two places, and the sum of the unit digits, that is 2 and 8, is coming out to be 10. So this trick is applicable only if these two conditions are fulfilled. Okay, so how this we are going to do, let's see. Just you have to take the first two digits, that is 14. So you have to take 14 and the next number, that is 14 and 14 plus 1, that is 14 into 15. So you multiply both the numbers and you'll get the first three places of the answer. Very simple. And the last two places you will get by just multiplying the unit digits, that is 8 2s is 16, so last two digits will be 16. So it is 21016. So simple. Let's see one more question. Two-digit number. So how you need to do this two-digit number? Again, in the same criteria. You have to see first digits are same, that is 2 and 2. And the last two digits means the unit places are giving you the sum 10. That is 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay. So you have to write this 2 and the next number. So next number will be 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So first place is 6. Simple. And you have to multiply 4 and 6. You'll get 24. And you'll get the last two digits as 24. So it is 624. So these were the tricks and many more are going to come. So please subscribe my channel and like, share with your friends if you like it. Thank you very much.